DioSeal Sealcoat Asphalt Sealing. What is seal coating? Asphalt, or as it is more commonly known, tarmac, is a highly durable material used all over the world, and its affordability is why it is so popular for use on both public and commercial roads and car parks, but also on domestic driveways, paths, and patios. However, once laid, exposure to the sun's UV rays, water, oil, and road salt can cause the asphalt composite to dry out, fade, crack, and crumble over time. This can lead to breakdown of the asphalt material, allowing rainwater to penetrate the substrate, which leads to unsightly cracks and potholes. In cold winter months, allowing water to penetrate the asphalt, which can freeze and cause further damage to the surface. Previously, the only solution would be to literally take away and lay a new asphalt, or even more expensive alternative, such as block paving. Well, now you can treat asphalt surfaces to prevent cracking and water ingress with a revolutionary process. Introducing DioSeal Sealcoat. DioSeal Sealcoat is a protective coating made from specially formulated oils and compound materials that, when applied, penetrates into the asphalt, restoring a deep, black appearance, replenishing the oils and binder that have broken down or dried up the tarmac. Smaller gaps in the asphalt aggregate are filled for a smoother appearance. DioSeal Sealcoat not only penetrates into the asphalt molecular structure but also lays on top. This forms a protective barrier to prevent future damage caused by sun, water, oil, and salt. What are the key features of DioSeal Sealcoat? DioSeal Sealcoat breathes new life into faded asphalt. When asphalt is first laid, it is a deep black color that looks fresh and new. Over time, the sun and weather elements will fade the surface, making it look washed out, gray or white, and looking aged and dingy, spoiling the overall look of a property. DioSeal Sealcoat restores a rich glossy black color to the asphalt, returning it to a fresh, new appearance, which can not only improve the look of your property, it can even increase its value. More and more homeowners and even commercial developers selling or renting their properties are turning to DioSeal Sealcoating, not only to enhance the curbside appeal of their property, but to improve their sales success by improving the overall look of the property, thus attracting more viewings, resulting in a faster sale. DioSeal Sealcoat prevents asphalt from becoming brittle, which results in cracks and potholes. Asphalt is generally made up of a blend of sand and gravel aggregate mixed with a petroleum-based binder that makes it flexible and pliable to make laying quick and easy. As motor oil and petrol leaks onto the asphalt, not only will it stain, it reacts with the petroleum binder and causes rapid deterioration of the asphalt. On top of that, water and UV rays dry out the asphalt. Soon, the asphalt that was once flexible enough to handle temperature fluctuations and the pressure of traffic becomes brittle and prone to cracking and crumbling. Applying DioSeal Sealcoat blocks the damaging oxidizing substances and keeps the binder pliant and flexible, allowing it to stay in good condition for a longer period. Prevention is better than cure. Once the asphalt becomes compromised due to oxidization and oil exposure, deterioration begins quickly. Small cracks form in the brittle asphalt, and, if left untreated and unrepaired, they will quickly turn into unsightly, dangerous cracks and potholes. Because DioSeal Sealcoat prevents oxidation, potholes are much less likely to form, keeping your asphalt strong and safe. This means rain and frost is unable to penetrate the substrate compound, resulting in an attractive waterproof finish for a longer period of time. This not only maintains the overall appearance of your property, but it eliminates unsightly cracks which can lead to breakdown of the asphalt, resulting in costly repairs or worse, having to totally replace the drive or pathway. Seal coating with DioSeal Sealcoat is highly cost-effective. Having to remove and reinstall a new driveway or path can run into thousands of pounds. By investing in DioSeal Sealcoating, you are minimizing the need for expensive repairs and extending the life of your asphalt. While seal coating can be applied to dry faded asphalt or a surface with minimal cracking, it won't restore or repair cracked or crumbled asphalt. Repairs have to be carried out prior to seal coating. Introducing DioFill Asphalt Repair Compound. Asphalt breakdown can be repaired prior to applying DioSeal Sealcoat using DioFill Asphalt Repair Compound. Designed to be used in conjunction with DioSeal Sealcoat, DioFill asphalt repair compound effectively fills and repairs areas that can become susceptible to allow water to penetrate the substrate, leading to breakdown damage of the asphalt. Any loose asphalt is removed from the area ready to accept DioFill asphalt repair compound. DioFill is a specially formulated combination of bitumen emulsion modified with an elastomer which together forms a tough and long-lasting barrier against the entry of water. DioFill has excellent adhesive properties and can even be applied to damp surfaces. Once areas are repaired using DioFill, the DioSeal is applied after, resulting in a seamless repair, therefore protecting the asphalt substrate. The DioSeal Sealcoat system not only improves the aesthetic appearance of your property, but serves as a maintenance system to prevent penetration of rain, snow, and ice, which causes breakdown of the asphalt, eliminating the need to repair, or even have to endure the costly replacement of a drive or pathway. The DioSeal Sealcoat Installation Package. We offer a comprehensive DioSeal Sealcoat installation service to both commercial and domestic property owners. A full site survey and written quotation is offered, clearly outlining our recommendations to enable us to offer a complete and professional service to restore your asphalt to its original state without the need to replace your drive, path, or patio. The elimination of moss, weed, and algae along with repairs to cracks and potholes are carried out prior to applying the DioSeal Asphalt Sealcoat compound. Our professional team of DioSeal installers are trained in every aspect of preparation and seal coating to offer our clients peace of mind. Once applied, DioSeal is virtually maintenance-free and a no-quibble guarantee applies to all DioSeal installations. Contact us today for a free site survey and quotation, or visit our website at www.dioseal.com for more information on our professional use products and services. Currently seeking DioSeal Sealcoat approved installer partners nationwide. Due to the unprecedented demand for our services, we are currently seeking official DioSeal Sealcoat approved installation service partners throughout the UK and Europe. DioSeal Sealcoat partner installers come from varied backgrounds and with different levels of experience, and with our unrivaled in-house training program at our Derbyshire training facility, we offer you all the knowledge and tools required to start your own DioSeal service in your own exclusive area. Whether you are seeking a change in career or simply wish to add a lucrative additional side to your existing business, the DioSeal approved installer package may be the ideal opportunity to create an attractive income stream with no previous experience. With the current economic climate, more and more households and businesses are seeking to improve rather than move, so you could capitalize on this virtually untapped recession-proof marketplace. There are literally millions of square meters of untreated asphalt surfaces throughout the United Kingdom, all requiring the DioSeal system, making this a lucrative business proposition from day one. If you are interested in becoming a DioSeal Sealcoat approved installer, please contact us or visit www.dioseal.com for a free DioSeal approved installer introduction pack.